Hey YouTube. Well, today's the day. I'm getting solar installed on my shop, which in theory is going to power everything. Pretty neat. Let me show you what's going on. Alright, this is the company. Momentum. They're installing the brackets now. You can hear them. Solar panels are going to go up soon. I love that sound.
So I can't see shit.
You can't see me?
No, I see like, oh, never mind, there it is, okay. Because you're connected to my car. Damn. Get it, bro, those panels ain't light. Shit.
They got 26 of them to do, I guess.
Well, yeah, however many your system entailed.
I mean, it looks like it's more on both sides than what the picture showed.
Yeah, I'll have to look back at your thing and see. But
Well,
yeah, that's why I said once they're done with the racking system, those are gonna legit like just snap right in.
Well, I've been doing video and I've fucked a couple of them up because I'm not really that good with this GoPro, even though it's like 6 generations old.
Well, that's okay. Use your phone.
I'm using, well,
Gotcha.
you know it's fucking hot up there.
Oh, I know. Plus, like I said, those panels are not fucking light either.
Well, there's one smart motherfucker up there, you know, in shorts. He's getting a tan.
Yeah, 2 of the dudes are in fucking Crocs. I don't think that's OSHA approved, though, to be honest.
They're not. I told him I was going to be that I was going to be videoing, and he was like, we're not tied off up there. I said, so what, not OSHA approved? He said, no.
Yeah, they're wearing Crocs, too. Here's where they done fucked up. They're not OSHA doing it correctly on a fucking fellow employee's roof.
Well,
Good job, guys.
This is how the install team works, I guess.
I guess. Yeah, they'll be done by 1 o'clock.
Well, they're gonna want to be because it's gonna be 177 degrees out here.
Yeah.
I got the GoPro sitting on top of my phone.
Okay.
This guy's got
Anyway.
26 panels to run up there, and he's got to go all the way around the shop because there's no other entry.
That sucks. Damn. Okay. Alright.
So,
Let me get to where I'm going and I'll call you right back. I'll
Okay.
FaceTime you so I can watch, okay?
okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Alright, YouTube. Panels are up. I'll show you from the ground what they look like. Check this out. Took 8 hours to install. This is from the ground. 26 panels with some on the back side. You can kind of see them up there. Damn dog. Never mind the dog. Alright. I'm turning around so you can see what I'm looking at. Anybody who knows me knows that I do not like ladders. Especially ones that shake. Because it's held together with, oh, see, that ain't no fun. Alright, suck up. Okay, I don't like this at all. A little bit. Alright, I'm up here. There they are. They're all installed. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and then I think there's 8 on the back. It's a 10 kilowatt system. Basically, it's 100% offset of everything I use. So once Bluebonnet, which is my electric company here in Bastrop, comes out here and inspects everything, they flip the switch and I go live, and I'll power the shop and the house off of this. So there it is. All right, I am going to get down off this ladder. While you look at this, how it shakes, and I have fallen off many a ladder while welding. So imagine you're welding, your hood's down, and you can't tell when something goes wrong. Ladder whips around a column or something, and off you go. I am surprised I have not broken legs. But that's it. 10 kilowatt system. Kind of excited. So in case you're wondering, a system like this, basically it's a 25-year note for about $165 a month. I can pay it off faster like anything else, like a car or a house. But that amount is less than my electric bill. My latest electric bill for July, $209. That's how much it was. So this system, because it will supply 100% of what I need, at today's rates, will actually cost me less than my electric bill. So solar is not for everybody. Obviously, it's not. I'm only going to live here for another 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 years at the most, because I'm moving out to Smithville. So it's just going to increase the value of the house. Of course, once I move out there, I'm going to put solar on all that roof too. But anyway, I'll keep you guys posted on how it offsets the electricity once they turn it on and I get my first couple bills. I should be able to get, you know, a $30 bill to a $0 bill to a negative bill, because I can push back into the electric company if I produce more than I use. So that's exciting. But anyway, that's what happens today. What is the day? July 27th. July 27th. It's Wednesday. So it took them 8 hours to install it, and they're gone. So I'm all set. More later.